Hey guys, just wanted to tell you that I'm gonna do just this quick little notification that I'm gonna start using my voice more often. This is getting a bit deeper, and if you see this picture right now that's showing up, that's gonna be my new at OC because it mostly looks like me except for the wolf ears and the clothes that doesn't look like me at all, but the hair and eyes are perfect for me. So yeah, it's gonna be my profile picture, and my new name is gonna be Rachel. I did Rachel because that's my real name, but yeah, just to let you guys know about this little update. Yeah, thanks. Goodbye.